Children, what would you do if you discovered a waterfall that glowed like liquid gold in the middle of the night? Leo the Lion Cub was about to uncover a magical secret hidden behind the sparkling water. Nighttime savanna under a sky full of stars, with a glowing golden light shining far away near the mountains. Leo the Lion Cub loved nighttime adventures. Every evening, he searched for exciting mysteries beyond the tall grasslands. Tonight, something unusual caught his eye. A golden light flickering near the cliffs. Leo, curious. That's not moonlight. What is it? The glowing light shimmered brighter and brighter. Without hesitation, Leo raced toward it. Leo crossing a wooden bridge and spotting Ruby the Red Panda holding a tiny lantern. Ruby looked nervous but excited. Ruby. Leo, did you see the shining waterfall too? Leo nodded quickly. It looks magical. Ruby lowered her voice. My grandmother told me there's a hidden crystal behind the waterfall that lights up the whole jungle. Leo grinned. Then let's find it together. Leo and Ruby following a sparkling river through glowing plants and giant jungle trees. Tiny glowing fish leaped from the water, leaving trails of golden sparkles in the air. Leo laughed joyfully. This feels like a dream. Suddenly, a wise old crocodile appeared from the riverbank. Crocodile. To reach the shining waterfall, you must cross the river of reflections. Only the brave may pass. Ruby gulped nervously, but Leo stepped forward confidently. Giant glowing stones floating across a dark, sparkling river. Each stone showed shimmering reflections of Leo and Ruby's fears, storms, shadows, and roaring noises. Ruby, scared. I don't think I can do this. Leo gently smiled. We're together. We can do it. Step by step, they crossed the glowing stones until they finally reached the other side. Suddenly, the jungle shook softly as the golden waterfall appeared before them, sparkling brighter than the stars. Behind the waterfall, a secret cave filled with glowing crystals of every color. At the center of the cave floated a giant golden crystal, but its light was fading. The crystal powered the jungle's magical light, but it had grown weak. Leo noticed ancient symbols carved beneath it. It says the crystal shines brightest when friends work together. Ruby nodded. Together, they placed their paws on the crystal. Instantly, beams of golden light exploded across the cave, lighting every crystal around them. The entire jungle glowing beautifully with golden waterfalls, sparkling rivers, and colorful lights. Animals gathered near the waterfall in amazement. Fireflies danced through the air while birds circled the glowing sky. Ruby laughed happily. Ruby, we did it! Leo splashed playfully in the glowing water. Best adventure ever, animals celebrating beside the glowing waterfall under the stars. That night, Leo learned that courage shines even brighter when shared with a friend. And deep inside the jungle, the shining waterfall sparkled more beautifully than ever before.